Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Go Rhino frame-mounted sliders. Before I get into today's product review, if you guys like these videos, do me a huge favor and make sure you hit that subscribe button. So be sure to catch this as well as all of our latest product reviews and plenty more. Now, Go Rhino makes their frame-mounted sliders for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited 4-door models. And they provide not only some style, but all the protection you'll need in the vulnerable rocker area on your Jeep to hit even the most difficult trails and allow you to slide over those obstacles without any chance of taking on any body damage here in the rocker area of your Jeep. The Go Rhino frame-mounted sliders are a fully welded one-piece design that are made from a larger 2.5-inch diameter tube down here on the bottom and a slightly smaller 1.75-inch diameter tube up top with some plate steel welded in between the two tubes to not only provide some additional strength and rigidity, but they also prevent any smaller rocks from making their way between the two tubes, helping again to stop any possible damage to the rocker area of your Jeep when you're sliding over those difficult obstacles out on the trail. Now, Go Rhino does utilize a 2-stage powder coating process on their frame-mounted sliders. On top, you'll see a slightly textured matte black powder coat. Underneath of that is a zinc powder coat that's actually there to help stop any possible rust and corrosion from spreading should you gouge through this top layer of powder coat when you're sliding over those rocks out on the trail. Now, because it is a fully welded one-piece design, the installation of these sliders is very easy. However, they will require some minor drilling to get them installed. Up front, you're going to be installing 2 tabbed bolts through some existing holes in the frame. You'll utilize the wire fish to pull the first bolt down through the hole in the bottom side of the frame, and then you'll install the second tabbed bolt through the hole in the side, rotating it and pushing on the plastic washer to hold it in place. At the center, we're going to be sandwiching the slider between the cross member support under our transfer case, reutilizing the factory bolt, and then you're going to be drilling 1 hole through the side of your body mount. Finally, at the back, again, we're going to be utilizing a threaded hole that's already in place on the bottom side of the frame here on the driver's side. And again, it's going to sandwich in between the gas tank slider over on the passenger side. And then at that rear location, just like we did at the center, you're going to be drilling a hole through the side of the body mount to add some additional strength and rigidity to these frame sliders to give you the confidence to slide over those obstacles without these sliders moving around on you. If you guys want to get any more information or to purchase a set of the Go Rhino frame-mounted sliders for your 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler Unlimited JL, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the sliders or how to get them installed, you can always leave those for us down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.